Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create the image classifier to identify dancers or singers using CreateML. So CreateML is an application available on Xcode. So here I'm going to open the Xcode and you can click Xcode in the top and click Open Developer Tool and click CreateML. Otherwise, you can right click on this Xcode in the dock and click Open Developer Tool, CreateML. Okay. Now we can create a new document. So we are going to select the image classification as this template and go next. So project name, I can use dancer and singers. Okay. Hope this works. And we can go next. Let's add that to my documents folder and create. Okay. Now we have to provide training data. Currently we don't have any data. So what I can do for you is just provide you this link that contains images of singers and dancers. Okay. So you have to download this dataset folder and save. So folder structure for image classification in CreateML is like this. To prepare your images for CreateML, you need to arrange them into folders based on their respective categories. For example, dancers, singers. And inside dancers folder, we have photos of dancers. And inside singers folder, we have photos of singers. Okay. Alright. Now we go to CreateML and we have to extract the zip that we downloaded. Okay. I extracted the folder and we can choose now the training data. Click select and go to the dataset folder. Click open. Okay. So now all we have to do is just start to train. And here you can see there are two classes, which means we have singers and dancers. Okay. These are classes. And let's see this one. We can start to train. Hope it will not take much time because there are only 100 images. Okay, the model training is completed. Now if we need, we can train more, like providing how many training iterations we need. Let's say 20 and train more. Okay. Now we can do the evaluation. Actually, we have to provide some testing data and it could be some dancers. Let me delete some of dancers photos and also singers photos. And we can choose the dataset here and we can test. Now we can see there are 5 singers and 4 dancers. Okay, there are 5 singers and 4 dancers. Alright, now let's see, we want to preview. We can go for live preview or we can just drag a image to there. So I can Google search, I can say dancer image cartoon because I want to pick some new one that I not added to my dataset. So let's take this one. Okay, now I'm going to take the image to here to the CreateML. Okay, it shows this is a dancer. Now I'm going to go for singer image. Let's take this one. And go to CreateML. Now we can drag our singer to here to the CreateML. Now it shows this is a singer and this is a dancer. Okay. Also using CreateML we can do live testing, live preview. That means it will ask for our camera and here I am. Okay. Now I have my mic here. Now yeah, it shows as a singer. but I'm not a singer. So that's how we can create a model. Let me go back here. Output, we can extract this to the Xcode or just save that. We can save that to our download. And here we have our ML model. So in the next video, I will show you how we can use this model in our Xcode Swift application and provide some output based on our input image. Okay. Alright. I hope this video helps you to understand how we can create a simple image classification project using CreateML. Thank you very much.